In this video, you'll be learning how to publish your product on the Seller Affiliate Network. That is, how do you add your product to the Seller Affiliate Network? But the big question there is, what is Seller Affiliate Network? Seller Affiliate Network is a platform which allows you to publish your product for other people to have access to, so that they can help you promote it and you will get to give them some token. So the big question is, why should you publish on the Seller Affiliate Network now that you know what the Seller Affiliate Network is, and what are the criteria that are needed, and how do you publish your product on the Seller Affiliate Network? At the beginning of when you are coming into the Seller Network, that means the Seller platform, you understand that you need to publish your product like this, which I believe you've already gone through this stage. But let's come to my email now. You get to see something here now. When I come here, you can actually see a congratulatory message here from Seller. Congratulations, your application so they mention the name of the product on Seller Affiliate Network has been approved. This means your product is now available for thousands of affiliate marketers to market right away. So that's it. So we'll now go back now to look at why we should publish on the Seller Affiliate Network, as they have already shown you clearly that it's available for the thousands of people on the network to help you market. So that means the concept of marketing is very, very important, because publishing your product on the Seller platform alone is not enough. You must put it in the eyes of the people, in which some people even go to the extent of running advert. But with this arrangement, you might not necessarily run advert. If you have people who are interested, they will help you do the marketing while you pay them a little commission. So let's go to see the criteria now. Now that you know why you should use the platform, there are criteria. It has image, it has a minimum price of 3,000 and a host of other arrangements. Then your commission should be 20% at least for people who will be promoting your product. Now let's go back to the platform now to run a practical demo. Now take for example, we are going to pick one of our products. When you go to your store like this, let's take for example, we want to publish one of these sales generated. No, we are going to pick affiliate related stuff. So how to succeed in affiliate marketing. So I want to publish this particular product. The next thing I'll do is believe you've logged into your account. You come to this hamburger icon by the right hand corner, you go to dashboard, you click on the dashboard. By the time you click on the dashboard, it's going to be something like this. You are going to be having this environment, all product. You pick on the all product, then you get to see your product. So in this case, our target is an affiliate marketing related product. You come down, you pick the particular product you want. Let's go down. So how to succeed in affiliate marketing step by step. So pick this particular one, click it. When you click it, it will give you option down. You can see the price there, 3,000, or based on what they say. So in your own local currency, they are going to show you the minimum that is required based on your country. So it varies. So you come to this very point that say publish to the network. You click publish. That is after following all the criteria. Then you come here, you select the category. In this case, it is a marketing product. So I pick marketing, or you can put it under business. It's all the same. So what subcategory is it? Affiliate marketing. So I put it. You come down. So remember, this is only available for digital product as at the time of recording this video. So when I come here, you see where they said on list, and you ignore all these ones. They say show product sales count in public network. You can decide to tick it, you can decide not to tick it, but in my own case, I'll tick it. I'll just pick it, then I'll click publish. When you click publish, you wait for some few seconds. So they are telling me I haven't put the commission. They say commission cannot be less than 2%. So I have to put the commission, as I've said. So whenever you are having any error, they will tell you. So in this case, I'll come to this very point. I'll put the 20% as stipulated based on their criteria. So I'll now come down. I will now click publish. You get to see one dial now. It will go. So you can see they are telling me successful affiliate network setting. So you see, always ensure your product meet the requirements. So at this point, they are telling me that my product has been published to the affiliate network. So that is it. So this is, you can see, we typically review 48 to 72 hours. You will receive email once the approval is met. So when they finally approve, then you will now receive an email like this, like the earlier email I showed you, this very one. So you get an email like this containing the name of the products and other relevant stuff. I believe you learned something in this particular video. For more on how to set up your products and how to get product and how to do other related online businesses, you can check the channel for more. I have a lot of information there, even how to set up your seller store to start from scratch. So catch you in my next video. Don't forget to keep it there. Don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be giving you more information in this regard.